What's up, guys? I tried to wake up early this morning to go catch the sunrise, and it looks like it's already bright outside and really cloudy, but I'm hoping that I can take my drone out, so we'll see how it goes. Literally such a long walk to the beach. I've been running for like 20 minutes now, and all my stuff. Oh, there's a sunrise. We're going. All right, stay tuned. I'm gonna get my drone out. I hope you guys like the drone videos because I want to use my drone a lot more. It's just hard to find places to actually fly it in the city because it gets kind of, I don't really want to fly around houses and annoy people. So I try to go to parks and stuff. Well, see you guys next time.